explain to me what you're doing here?
Doing the wood mark, the base coat, putting base coat and everything.
Right. And is this going to be for the next installation coming up this weekend?
Yeah. What they come to do is spray painting, so then what you come to do, spray the fog.
Yeah.
So the leaves don't get spray painted over to the top of the leaves, so you mash them up.
So the parts that you're masking, you go to stop paint getting on them and you're painting the other bits.
Lights coming up all up inside here again.
And the parts you've been spraying outside, spray painting outside,
It's
going to go all the way around here.
All around here.